Now, your most accurate forecast with WJBF Live VIPIR 6 in partnership with AECom, built to deliver a better world.
Good morning and thanks for watching. Time now 5:45. Current temperatures around Aiken, South Carolina at 61. Here in Augusta we're at 60, and Louisville, Georgia currently 67 degrees. We will see the opportunity for severe thunderstorms as well as a few isolated tornadoes today. As a matter of fact, the Storm Prediction Center has the entire CSRA painted in the moderate category. Been a while since we've seen that. So what does that mean? It means we're going to see widespread severe storms, very likely. Strong, long-lived tornadoes. Within those severe thunderstorms, we'll see winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. We're talking straight line winds and also very large size hail. Right now on WJBF Live VIPIR 6 radar, we are dry currently across the CSRA, but already severe weather ramping up across portions of just north of Columbus, Georgia, seeing a severe thunderstorm warning. Also south of Columbus, Georgia, across southwestern Georgia. All this moving off to the east and northeast at a pretty good clip at around 45 to 55 miles per hour. So we're just going to see some light rain early this morning, then more rain and storms move in as we head towards around 8:30 through around 10:30. Then we'll see another round for severe thunderstorms as well as a few isolated tornadoes later on this afternoon and then early this evening. As we zoom in, you can see some hail, very, very large size hail, and better than those thunder showers just southwest of Albany, Georgia, well south of Columbus. All this again marching off to the east and to the northeast, and one severe thunderstorm warning early this morning just north of Columbus, Georgia, and we have numerous severe thunderstorm events as we head throughout the day today. As we take a look at the forecast map, here's a look at the culprit. Big upper level low, trailing cold front, and we'll be just south of the warm front. That warm front then starts to lift north throughout the day today, and we'll start to see these rain and severe thunderstorms continue to march out to the north and northeast right around 8:30 this morning. We'll start to see some of those moderate to heavy, possibly intense severe thunderstorms. That will continue right through lunchtime today. And again, that warm front still slow to lift to the north. So anywhere along this line, we could see the form of supercell thunderstorms develop, producing severe thunderstorms as well as a few isolated tornadoes. We'll have another round move in as we head towards later on this afternoon. But tonight by 10:19, we'll see the last bit of rainfall move through by 2 o'clock in the morning. Mostly cloudy, dry, but then very windy conditions as we head throughout the day on Thursday. Mostly cloudy throughout the day. We'll call it a mixture of sun and clouds as we head towards lunchtime on Thursday. But again, some very windy conditions out of the west at around 10 to 15 miles per hour, occasionally gusting up to around 25 to possibly even 30 miles per hour. So we could see a wind advisory in effect for much of the CSRA tomorrow. Today, it's severe thunderstorms as well as a few tornadoes, highs of 79. For tonight, rain and thunderstorms, morning lows tomorrow morning down to 52. WJBF Live VIPIR 6-day forecast, early Thursday. Small chance for a few showers. Breezy and mostly cloudy throughout the day on Thursday with a high of 65. Friday looking really good, sunny 65. The weekend even better. Saturday and Sunday, sunny, highs lower 70s to upper 70s. Then on Monday, as we say goodbye to the Masters, sunshine and highs of 81 degrees.